Okay, so in this video, we'll see about very interesting topic today, and that is copying a list. So now I have created a list and I want to copy it to some another list. How can I do that? And what is the problem? First, we'll try to see if I do. So like generally, copying means assigning one list to the another list, right? So that's how we can do that. But see what is the problem that comes, right? Okay, so let's start. So we will be using copying copying a list. Very exciting topic, guys. You will learn for sure something by end of that. New for sure. Copying a list. So numbers is a list what we have, right? So let me first reverse it. I just want it to be numbers. Okay, yeah. Now I want to create a new numbers. Okay, new numbers list equal to numbers. So that's where we are assigning it and copying it. Okay, then I'll print new numbers. Perfect. So I have this new numbers, right? And the numbers is here. So we are like, okay, now our job is done. So that's all in this video. No, that's not all in this video. Now the magic will begin. It's like now we'll start understanding this in detail. Okay, so now let me change my last element to 11 and then new numbers. Perfect. So my last element is modified, and but let's see what happens in numbers. Whoa, I didn't change numbers, I just changed new numbers, and these numbers also got changed. That's the issue. That's where it is important. Now let's see one thing. If I change numbers last element to 10, then I'll check in numbers is changed. Let's see what happens in new numbers. That also got changed. That is something I'm not looking for, right? The idea or the reason why I want to create a new list is that I want to use and append or add or delete accordingly. However, it's without it's telling that it has changed the other list, it's changing it, right? So that's a problem. So just to tackle with that, there are certain ways recommended to copy a list. Okay, so let's see now. So we have numbers, so I want to create a new so let me use a slicing operator, using a slicing operator. So first method is copy a list using the slicing operator, and then I'll call it a numbers copy equals to numbers, yeah, and I'll see numbers copy. Okay, so we have copied. Now just to verify, let's print let's change numbers copy. Let's say okay, let's say again for last element I'll change, make it 11, and numbers copy. So and again we'll see what happens if numbers got changed or not now, and numbers is not changed. So that means this is the correct way to copy the numbers or a list, right? Perfect, good. Let's start let's see other way of using copying. So copying a list using the built-in list function. Okay, so built-in list function or constructor we can call also. So numbers copy equals to list numbers and numbers copy. Guys, we have changed the last element to 11, so now it should copy again and make it 10, right? Again we'll use this method to verify, because now we are learning. When you will become expert, you need not to do that, but when we are learning, let's see whether it really works or not, right? And it worked as well. Okay, so now we have another way of doing. We have a function called copy. We can use that. So copy a list using the copy method. So numbers copy equals to numbers copy. Okay, and then numbers copy, and it has worked. And let's see again by changing the last element and then again printing the numbers. Perfect, so this has also worked. Okay, so I think that's all in this video I want to talk to you about, and I hope you have learned something new. And if yes, please do mention in the comment section below and tag me on my LinkedIn. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, or you can follow me on the Medium. Yeah, I told you that in the next video I will be showing you that. So yeah, I will do that in the beginning of the next video. And till then, bye and see you in the next video.